Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little project share showing you guys how I ended up using the prize ribbon embellishments that I made on my previous video. I'll have that link down below if you guys haven't checked that out. But I made these little prize ribbons and they're super cute. And on that video, I stated I wanted to put them on bag toppers. So I used my Sizzix Lori Whitlock bag topper die. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to purchase it. And yeah, I just attached them to the bag toppers. I used some pastel papers from Michaels. And this is what they look like. So this is the first one. I did lavender and pink with this one. This is the lavender and pink as well. This one I did purple and white. This one I did the blue with the white. This one I did a black and white. This one is just, I wanted to see it without the, I wanted it to be a little different. So this one doesn't have, just a little variety, you know. And then I have this one right here, which it looks super cute. So we end up having all the little bag toppers with the little prize embellishments looking super cute. You guys, if you're interested in any of these bag toppers, they are up for sale. So definitely leave me a comment down below letting me know if you are. Just shoot me an email and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.